Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to prevent sites from playing content protected by copyright on UpperGX. The first thing you need to do is open up your settings. So I like to use the alternative and P buttons, that is the keys on the keyboard, to open up the settings quickly, and then you scroll down to site settings, click on site settings and scroll all the way down until you see additional content settings and click on the arrow by the right. Then scroll down until you see protected content ID, click on it. And now if you do not want sites to play content protected by copyright, then you have to disable it from using content protection service. So you click on this, don't allow sites to play protected content, but that means that media with the copyright might not play. And then you also go here because sites may also need to recognize the device identifier. So you click on this to not allow sites to use identifiers to play protected content. So that means video quality may be reduced. It's as simple as that. So once you disable these two, like we just did, you click on this and this, sites will not be able to play content protected by copyright on your UpperGX.